Injection Mold Design Fundamentals Part 4. Ejection System Design, Ejector Pin Placement and Safe Part Removal. Welcome back to Plastic Industry. Today we are discussing another high important topic in plastics injection mold design. Ejection System Design. Let me ask you something. What happens after plastic fills the cavity? Packing pressure is completed and cooling is finished. The mold opens. Now the part must come out safely. Simple. Not at all. This is where many molds fail. Many molds produce excellent parts inside the cavity. But during ejection, parts crack, parts bend, parts stretch, parts deform, parts stick inside the mold. Sometimes the part refuses to come out. Cycle time increases, rejections rise, production suffers. This happens because of poor ejection design. Today, we will deeply understand what is an ejection system, why ejection design is critical, types of ejection systems, ejector pin placements, sleeve ejectors, stripper plates, air ejection, safe part removal techniques, common ejection problems. This video is extremely useful for mold designers, tool room engineers, injection molding engineers, production teams, mold makers, plastic processors. By the end of this video, you will understand how proper ejection improves product quality, mold life, and productivity. Hello friends, I am Amit. Welcome to Plastic Industry YouTube channel. Here we discuss plastic materials, mold design, injection molding, machinery, manufacturing, business growth and sales strategies. Please subscribe, like, share, comment and press that bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me in future. Now let us begin. Imagine two molds producing identical parts, same material, same machine, same cooling. Yet one mold runs smoothly, the other suffers repeated stoppages. Why? The part gets stuck during ejection. Operators struggle, production slows down, rejects increase. What has caused this? It is poor ejection design in the mold and the machine. This is why experienced mold designers treat ejection as a critical engineering function. What is ejection system? The ejection system removes the molded plastic part after cooling. After mold opening, the product normally stays on the core side. Why? Good question. Because plastic shrinks around the core during cooling. The ejection system applies force to remove the part safely. Good ejection means smooth part removal, no damage, no scratches, no deformation, stable production. Poor ejection means defects and downtime. Why ejection design is critical? During cooling, plastic shrinks. This shrinkage creates creeping force around the core. Some materials shrink more. Examples, I will tell you: polypropylene, high shrinkage; HDPE, high shrinkage; ABS, moderate shrinkage; polycarbonate, lower shrinkage. Higher shrinkage means stronger grip. This makes ejection harder. Improper ejection causes drag marks, stress whitening, pin marks, crack, and part distortion. Therefore, ejection design directly affects quality. Types of ejection systems. There are several common ejection methods. 1. Ejector pins, most widely used across designs applications. Very simple, reliable, low cost. Pins push the part from selected areas. What are the advantages? Low cost, easy maintenance, simple design. Disadvantages: can leave pin marks used in most injection molds. Sleeve ejectors number 2, used for circular components. Examples: caps, bushes, round parts. Sleeve ejectors provide uniform force. Very effective for cylindrical parts. Number 3, stripper plates, used for thin wall or delicate parts. Provides uniform ejection over large area. Common in containers, packaging products. Advantages: lower risk of deformation. Number 4, air ejection. Compressed air helps release part, useful in delicate parts, especially where mechanical ejection is difficult. Number 5, hydraulic or pneumatic ejection, used in special mold applications, suitable for complex mold systems. Ejector pin placements. This is extremely important. Improper pin placement causes failures. Basic rules: place pins near strong areas. Pins should push on ribs, bosses, thick sections, strong surfaces. Avoid weak, thin sections. Use uniform force distribution. Force should be balanced. Uneven force causes bending. More pins may be needed for large size parts. Avoid cosmetic surfaces. Pin marks can become visible. Avoid placing pins on customer facing areas, especially for consumer products. Avoid sharp corners. Corners are stress concentration points. Ejection force here may crack parts. Consider sticking zones. Some areas stick more strongly. These areas require additional ejection support. Examples: deep cores, textured surfaces, high shrinkage materials. Safe part removal. Safe removal requires proper design. Key factors: draft angle, surface finish, texture depth, shrinkage, material properties. Draft angle is extremely important. Without draft, ejection force rises sharply. Typical draft: 0.5 degree to 1 degree for smooth surfaces, 2 degree to 5 degree for textured surfaces. More draft means more easier ejection. Common ejection problems. Common issues include part sticking, pin marks, drag marks, cracking, whitening, part bending, uneven ejections. What are the root causes? Poor draft, poor pin placement, insufficient pins, high shrinkage, poor polishing, rough coat surface. Most ejection problems can be prevented during design stage itself. Experienced plastics industry tips. Experienced mold makers follow simple rules. Design ejection early. Do not leave ejection planning for later. Always study part geometry, material shrinkage, surface finish, core depth. Good mold designers think about ejection from day one. Friends, today we learned Ejection system design, types of ejection systems, ejector pin placement, safe part removal, common ejection problems. Remember this, a mold is successful only when the part comes out safely and consistently. Good ejection design improves quality, productivity, mold life, profitability. In our next video, we will discuss venting system design, air traps, gas removal, and burn mark prevention. Thank you for watching. I am Amit. See you in the next video.